Myth number 1.
Nasal breathing does not provide enough oxygen when I run.
This is not quite true. The blood oxygen saturation of a healthy individual is about 95 to 99%. You can go ahead and measure that if your watch has an oximeter. When we inhale, we take in oxygen. When we exhale, we offload carbon dioxide. Simple. When we start running, our respiratory rate increases not because our body needs more oxygen, but rather because our lungs need to offload carbon dioxide. There is already enough oxygen present in our bloodstream to begin with. Now, with nasal breathing, the amount of oxygen that we can uptake is the same as when we use our mouth. However, the amount of carbon dioxide that we can offload is lower. And why is that? Because there isn't enough space in the nasal passages for carbon dioxide to exit quickly, which is actually good news for us. What happens is that our carbon dioxide levels start rising, causing us to increase our breathing frequency and hence our heart rate. And here is where the Bohr effect comes to play a role. According to the Bohr effect, that, by the way, was described by a Danish physiologist Christian Bohr in 1904, the oxygen binding affinity of hemoglobin is inversely related to the acidity and carbon dioxide concentration. In other words, CO2 helps our muscles to get more oxygen delivered. In adequate amounts, CO2 is our best friend for oxygen delivery.